Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you the witch totems my au pair Max is making for us for our Halloween trail this year. Max, two of my friends, and I are putting together a spooky haunted Halloween trail. Me and one girl did this last year, or one mom, I should say, did this last year. It was a lot of fun. It was kind of small scale, but this year we're doing a little bigger. Max had the idea to use the totems from the Blair Witch Project. And so Max went to the woods and grabbed all these different sticks, and we are using just some basic twine to hold it all together. So as you can see, each little piece was cut into, or broken into, 6-inch pieces, 5-inch pieces, thereabouts. And you start out and just tie two pieces together. I'm going to try to speed up some of this, but it's a little tough to do. If you notice, I'm using they, them for Max. Max is non-binary, and that's their pronouns. Or those are their pronouns. Once they did the first two, they go ahead and add the third piece. And again, just lots of just tying twine. It's a really good project for in front of the TV or listening to an audiobook. You might be able to hold it together using some glue from a glue gun and then tie it. That might give you a little extra set of hands if you needed it. We're making about 10 of these, and we're gonna have the kids have a little checklist to check them off so they can see if they can find all 10 while they're walking through the woods. We're also gonna have some spooky painted unicorns as well for them to find. Okay, so here is the fourth piece, fourth piece going on. And I helped hold here so that Max could tie the three pieces together where they come in. So these are all going to look a little bit different. We're having pretty much 10 slightly different looks to them just because we're breaking twigs apart. But yeah, I hope this was helpful. Make sure to keep an eye out. We're going to have a lot of other projects for this trail this year. We're trying to go big this year. Definitely adding some new sections. I have an old video from last year's trail if you want to see that. But this year is definitely much more expanded, and we're really excited about some of the DIY projects and also some of the just store-bought products we're adding to the trail. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. Subscribe to my channel and visit my blog, DIYDanielle.com. Alrighty, thanks so much. Take care. Have a great day.